Thinking about getting a Silhouette Cameo 4? Let's make a t-shirt that has a text-only design and see how easy it is to use this machine. Supplies used in this video include the Silhouette Cameo 4, a t-shirt, iron-on vinyl, a mat, a trimmer, and a weeding tool. Over in Silhouette Studio, let's start with a blank canvas. Click on the text tool in the left menu, and then click anywhere on the canvas and start typing. Once you have your text typed, go ahead and click on it, and then in the menu across the top, next to Fonts, click the drop-down arrow and scroll down until you find the font that you want to use. Now let's resize our image by grabbing one of the corner boxes and dragging it in to adjust the size down to what you want it to be. Under Page Setup on the far right, which you get to by clicking on the box in the upper right corner, I'm going to set my machine to the Cameo 4, my feed to auto. My cutting mat is going to be 12 by 12. When I'm ready to send my design to be cut on the Silhouette, I'm going to click the Send button in the upper right corner. I have selected my material as Heat Transfer Smooth from the list. With my machine connected, I'm now ready to send my design to be cut. I'm going to click the Send button, and it's going to pop up with a message. It wants to know if I want to mirror my design, and you do want to mirror your design if you're using anything with text in it. So I'm going to say mirrored, and it's going to send it over to the Cameo. We're going to use our trimmer to trim down our vinyl to the size of our design. We're going to go over and open up our Cameo 4, and we're going to remove the protective backing from our mat. Then add our vinyl with the shiny pretty side down and the dull side up. Into the Cameo and press the load button on the right. Cutting process will start and your design will be cut. Unload the mat when the design is done cutting and weed out all the pieces and parts of the design that you don't need using your weeding tool. I'm using the HTV-ROT Auto Heat Press to press my design onto my t-shirt by sliding the drawer out and positioning my shirt. I've got the temperature set to 320 for 45 seconds. I'm simply going to push the drawer in and hit the load button. The press will come down and press my design for 45 seconds. When it's done, the top will automatically pop up. I'll let my design cool down before I remove the backing. Once it's cooled down, go ahead and carefully lift up the backing from the t-shirt to reveal your finished design. And there you have it. Making a t-shirt on the Silhouette Cameo 4 is easy.